Hi, in today's video I'd like to talk to you about sprinkler systems. A few months ago I had a situation when I was trying to water my lawn, and I opened the water and nothing's going on. So this is the system from the 80s made by Rigdale, and I only have one zone, so I was trying to figure out what to do, and finally it occurred to me that one of the possibilities was the bad solenoid. So if you want to start your pump and there is no clicking sound engaging the pump, most likely it's a solenoid. So I basically went to Home Depot, spent $10 on a new solenoid, and this was the end of the problem. This is the old solenoid though, was right here. It was all rusted, and there is a little thing that goes inside that engages the water flow. I was not sure what kind of solenoid I needed. So what I've learned, if your solenoid is covered by plastic cover, it means that it's 110 volt solenoid. If your solenoid doesn't have any cover, it means it's 24 volts. So this is one big difference between all the solenoids. If you find then the one that is appropriate for your system, you can just do it yourself. And basically what I did, as you can see, you unscrew this from this top, cut the wires. Of course you need to disconnect the power first, and you just connect it to your timer or whatever turns the power on and off. So you may have another issue after replacing the solenoid, or if your solenoid is okay but your water is not flowing. This could be this valve. When you start your pump, you need to bleed the valve that is inside. If you don't, the water is not gonna start flowing. So let me demonstrate. So I'm gonna turn the water on. Okay, so I'm turning the water on. Now I'm going to start my pump. And right now everything is going okay. But if you don't hear water flowing, most likely there's this bleeding valve that needs to be released. You'll release a little bit of water, and then the sprinklers are gonna be working. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope I helped you in fixing your sprinkler system. Have a good day. Bye bye.